Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the Notes app on your Oppo phone. Create the exact note you want pinned, with title and content finalized. Once done, tap the three-dot menu or overflow icon on that note to reveal options. Make sure you save changes, otherwise the shortcut will point to an empty draft. This first step guarantees the note exists and is selectable for a home screen shortcut, so you can add it directly without third-party tools or extra setup. Now, with your note open, use the Note menu to choose Add to Home Screen or Create Shortcut. This is the built-in method Oppo provides. When prompted, confirm the shortcut name. You can edit it for clarity. Tap Add and the system will place an icon on your home page automatically. If it asks where to place it, pick the desired page and spot. This creates a direct link to that specific note, so tapping it opens the note immediately. Finish by arranging the shortcut. Long press to drag it, drop into folders, or adjust its position. Test the icon, tap it, and confirm the exact note opens. If the app opens to the list instead, return to the original note and recreate the shortcut. This fixes links that point to the app rather than the note. Also, make sure Notes has storage and shortcut permissions. If denied, grant them in Settings, then recreate the shortcut to resolve access issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.